Hi, I'm Pete from Fenceline. What I'm discussing today is our gate hinges and the theory behind those. So what we've got here is a top and a bottom, and so how they work is we've got these cams that when you roll them 180 degrees, this part of the cam here locks itself onto the pipe. When I lay these over the top of each other, you can see that the gudgeon here underneath is 15mm further forward, and what that does is when you put your gate on, it opens in an arc, and that means if you live in a windy area, the wind doesn't blow your gate shut. So what I'll do now is put them on and show you how we fit them. They're extremely quick. So that's roughly where I want it. So what we do is we put two shifters on here at the same time, and we force them around here together, and we leave it just at that point. I've only got a little gate here, but these are been designed to take a 16-foot gate with your grandkids jumping on the gate. So wherever that sits is where we put this nut in. So I want to lift that up a bit. I'm just guessing that again, wherever that is, we just grab the cams here. You don't have to worry about doing the nuts up too tight. And what we do is we open the gate and then we check it for function both ways. When we're happy with that, we use a hammer to knock the cams on. And that's it. So what we have here is a gate fitting that's infinitely adjustable, and it's the basis behind our end assembly theory. So we knock a 10-foot strainer in here for fencing, and we lean them back 30mm, and we make the assumption that our end assembly is going to move a little bit. What are we going to do? We don't concrete, because your concrete doesn't compact to the hole, it shrinks away, so it's going to move. We haven't got a welded stay onto our strainer. We've got a block here. It's all easy to do what you want to do with it, but we can come back after 5 years after the end assembly's moved a fraction and reset our gate fitting if need be. But leaning your strainer back 30mm, it doesn't look out of place. It always looks okay. And so if it moves 10mm, you know, we're 20mm back, if it, you know, or 10mm back. But the moment your end assembly goes 10mm the other way, it looks as though it's failed, and it's a pain in the arse. So without these gate fittings, our end assembly theory doesn't work. So we always do a side mount on the gates, and when we put our second post in, we use that post as a gate stop, so the gate doesn't fall through the gate opening. gates are not made to direct your stock. They're just not designed for it. If I put a gate fitting on the end here, I can put a brand new gate fitting here now and bend the gate as soon as I put it on. With this way, your gates last a long time. You never bend them.